everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use SketchBook Free Edition to draw a blue moon in a cloudy day. First, use two fingers to make your canvas a little bit smaller. Then from the right, choose the second darkest blue from the bottom. And then from the top, choose the Fill tool to fill the entire layer with that color. Now we're going to create a new layer. We're going to use the technical pen from Basic. With its default setting, we increase the predictive level to 5 and then choose color C0. Now we're trying to draw a circle. Because the predictive tool has level 5, so you got the perfect circle. Now we're going to fill the circle with C0 and then create a new layer, choose color black. And from the top, we choose the selection tool magic wand. Enable the sample all layers by tap the water drop button. Now we switch to use the flow airbrush. Change the size to maximum. Now we're going to create a 3D effect sphere by dragging your pen in the blue area. Only allow the edge of the spray to touch within the selected area. Your drawing will be limited within the selected area. Once we got this sphere, we're going to enable the transform tool to rotate it. So we make the darker area on the top left and then make the brighter area on the bottom right. Now we're going to make the sphere layer invisible and create a new layer, drag it down. From the left, we're going to choose the Splatter tool. The first one is Paint Splatter 1. We're going to use its default setting, just change the opacity to about 20%, increase the size to maximum. We use two fingers to zoom in a little bit. From the right, we choose color C9. We splash once. So we need to make sure we still got this magic wand sample all layers selected, so we're only drawing within the moon. Now we decrease the size to 200 and then splash a few times. You know, the position I'm splashing is according to a real moon picture. You can find one online to notice where you got a darker area. We decrease the size to 100, splash. And then increase the size to 300. We splash another time. We decrease the size to 50. Splash a little chain on the top left. Now we're done with this layer. We're going to create a new layer. And then we choose to use color C5. And from the left, we're going to switch to use the second Splatter tool, Paint Splatter 2. And then we decrease the opacity to about 10%, leave the size as its default setting. We're going to splatter on the top left and then trying to keep the bottom right untouched. So now on a new layer, we're going to choose color C1. From the left, we're going to select the Sparkle tool under Shape. We reset to its default setting and then pin it to the left. We're going to sparkle 3 times. If you look at the real moon picture, it does have this brighter area. Now we create a new layer and switch to the Texture Essentials. We find the Dusty Airbrush. And in the Advanced setting, underneath, we change to choose the Last Texture. So because we're going to switch to C00, because the Magic Wand selection tool still selected the moon area with the sample all layer enabled, so we're only going to spray within the moon. Now we switch back to the solid moon layer, change its blend mode to luminosity. And then we switch to the sparkle area, change it to luminosity 2 for the blend mode. Now we enable make the sphere layer visible, change it to overlay blend mode, create a new layer on top, and then make sure the blend mode is overlay too. Now we're going to use the darkest blue from the right and from the left. Under artist, we're going to choose the salty watercolor brush. This is default setting. By reset it, now we're going to change the size to maximum. Use 2 fingers to make the canvas smaller. From the top, we enable this magic wand. But this time, we're going to select the blue area, which is the outside moon. So now your stroke is coming from the gray area outside the canvas towards the sun to a few times around to create the cloudy effect. Once done with that, you're going to reset the size for the salty watercolor brush, and from the right, choose the lightest gray. Now this time your stroke coming from within the moon towards the edge of the canvas. Once you're done, you got a perfect blue moon in a cloudy day. If you like this video, please let me know below. If you want to encourage me to make more videos, please subscribe. Thank you. Let's draw together. Bye.